Well, when I was a young kid, I was more into building and Legos and putting things together. So got out of high school and I started working, just trying different things to see what type of field that I would fit best in. I started working here and found something I love to do. It's basically the same thing from me being a child, playing with Legos. It's the same concept, building, assembling things. So I'm building spirals. It's something I love to do and it just works out for me.
I had some really good mentors at school. We had an awesome mechanical engineering instructor who taught us lab. And he had, his labs were all set up to be like the old style Mission Impossible. I mean, he made the labs really cool. It was so much fun.
No matter what type of environment you are in, if you're positive, then you're gonna get positive results, hands down. So me, basically, I just try to stay positive and work on myself internally and externally.
When I was younger, I played with Legos and I found that I could build really interesting things. And then I found about robotics. So I got into that and I found that it was a lot of fun and I really was good at it.
Mechatronics, it's mechanical, electrical, and computers. It's a big umbrella. And robotics is actually a subset of that.
So I want to get my associates here and eventually get my master's in mechanical engineering design.
You can go right to work with this certificate, or you can go on to our associate's degree, and they could even go beyond that and get a bachelor's. You know, that's just one of the paths you could take. It's like a train, and you can get off at any stop.
I like to work with tools, so worked my way up. It was a big jump for me. I guess they noticed my work ethic and thought I would be a perfect fit.
I am currently an apprentice at Swiss Log, and I got that through the New Horizons program. So they pay for school and I get paid while I'm in school.
There's a high demand. And if they knew that the student had hands-on experience, those engineers are much more highly valued than the engineer who's never actually touched anything.
I really like my job because it shows me different things at home, of course, as well, that I can do on my own instead of having someone else come and do them, being more independent. And then it's a teaching thing because I have a child. I have 2 kids. So when my son sees me do things, that makes him want to do it. And that's what I want to pass down to him. I want to show him to be independent and be able to fend for himself.
Some of the things I kind of get daunted by, you talk about programming this giant robot arm or stuff like that, but it keeps me interested because it's fun and I like the challenge. Most of my friends think it's cool because we all think about the same types of thing.
In here, we deal with pretty large machines, so you gotta be a team player and you have to figure out our balance to how we can work together to make everything work. Work hard and don't be afraid to try new things, because if you have a dream and you want to do something, then you should go for it.